Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss link styling using CSS. We'll be exploring some straightforward code that will enable you to customize your links effortlessly. Let's dive right in. In HTML, let's take p tag and write some text. Maybe this is the Google link. To make this text a link, you can wrap this text in a tag or anchor tag. Now set the link of Google site in ref. If you click on this link, you will go to Google website. Let's begin by looking at unvisited links. By using the link selector, we can specifically target links that users haven't clicked on yet. In our code, we'll set the link color to red and remove the default underline. By using text decoration, none. Now, let's move on to visited links. Using the visited selector, we can style links that users have already clicked on. In our code, we'll change the link color to green and ensure there is no underline by using text decoration, none. Next, let's add some interactivity with the hover effect. When users hover over a link, we can make it stand out by changing its color. By utilizing the hover selector, we'll set the link color to hot pink and add an underline using text decoration, underline. When the cursor hovers over the link, its color will transition to pink and an underline will become visible. Lastly, we'll focus on the selected link style. These are links that are currently being clicked on. By using the active selector, we'll change the link color to Dodger blue and maintain the underline using text decoration, underline. If the link is clicked and held, its active state, color will transform to blue and an underline will also become visible. When setting the style for several link states, there are some order rules. Hover must come after link and visited. Active must come after hover. It means, at first number link, then visited, then hover, at the end active. And there you have it. With just a few lines of CSS code, you can easily style your links and create a visually appealing user experience. Remember, you can always customize the background colors and adjust other properties to suit your design preferences. To move further, remove all the code. Let's explore how you can easily change the cursor appearance on your website using CSS. We'll start by taking the span tag and adding a cursor style to it. Simply write the style attribute and set the cursor property. Now, let's duplicate this span 7 times to demonstrate different cursor styles. CSS offers a variety of cursor styles to improve user experience. One popular style is pointer, which changes the cursor to a hand when hovering over links or buttons. Another common style is default. Use BR tag for line break when we hover on it, which represents the regular cursor. For a progress-like effect, we can use the progress style. When we hover on it, progress sign will display with. Additionally, there's the crosshair style, which displays a plus sign when hovering over an element, perfect for precision selection. To indicate text selector sign, it's like we can use by text style. Next, we have the help style, which shows a cursor with a question mark, useful for providing information. Next, we have the move style, which shows this move sign. Next, we have the auto style, which shows this auto sign. And there you have it. There are much more different types of cursors you can use for links. With just a few lines of CSS, you can easily change the cursor appearance and enhance your website's user experience. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, activating the notification bell for future video updates, and leaving random comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.